So how do you get started on a B-State transformation? Well, it's really quite simple. We start by creating a custom B-State roadmap for your organization. And this is all about providing clarity, leverage, and a phased approach so that you can be assured of measurable results all along the way. You're going to see results within 3 months, within 6 months, and each phase will lead you to the next phase of even greater results because this is evolutionary. We start by understanding your external drivers. Those are the pressures of competition, government regulatory standards changing, new customer demands, the market shifting, new technology, those things that are driving your business that are out of your control. And based on that, along with what you want to achieve in your business results, we're going to create and help you create a clear B-State picture of success. But this picture of success not only focuses on the business results you want to change, but also the changes in execution necessary to support those changes. Then we do a gap analysis to see how far do you have to go from getting where you are in A state to where you want to be in B state. Ultimately, we're going to leverage your existing conditions. We want to use what you already have in place and leverage those to get breakthrough results. Finally, we provide you a B-State implementation roadmap so you know exactly how this is going to be phased over time, and more importantly, the kinds of measurable results you can expect for your business and for your culture shift every 3 months, so that you're not having to invest all of it at once. You're literally taking it a piece at a time, getting the results before you invest more. So please give us a call. Let's have a conversation about your breakthrough changes, and we can do an immediate, simple diagnosis to get you started so that we're ready to do and build you a custom roadmap.